This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. We've been dreaming of flying cars since, it seems, the beginning of human civilization. I mean, how cool would it be to zip through the sky in your own personal flying pod? Well, back here on Earth, the so-called experts are telling us why we can't have nice things. But there were a few glimmers of hope for flying car aficionados at Uber's Elevate Summit a couple of years ago. That's when Embraer announced a partnership with Uber to build a flying electric rideshare vehicle capable of vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL. Embraer unveiled the Dreammaker concept last year, which looks like a drone crossed with a helicopter. Using 8 vertical rotors and a tail fan propeller to scoot it forward above 1,000 feet, the Dreammaker is unique because Embraer has a 50-year history in aviation, meaning it's not just a pie-in-the-sky concept. Even better, they say this bad boy will be fully operational by 2023. Bring on the flying cars! While we're on the subject of flying vehicles, let's talk about the computers that run jet planes. Modern flight controllers operate a multitude of systems that all work together to keep you soaring through the sky. Well, Honeywell has found a way to shrink the main brain down to a significantly reduced weight. The fly-by-wire system is controlled by a main computer that's no larger than a paperback book. You could hold it in one hand. Also, fly-by-wire technology sends commands to aircraft control surfaces through electronic signals instead of heavy mechanical systems. That means even more weight saved, and the possibility that such a system could someday be used to control a flying car, future airplanes, or an autonomous drone taxi. As long as it remembers I ordered a vodka soda and not a vodka tonic, I am all for this mega flight brain. Cheers, Honeywell. Want a grade A range anxiety attack? Try driving an EV and not finding an open charging station. But here's a bit of good news for all you anxious electronauts. 2 industry juggernauts are joining forces to merge a massive network of chargers. ChargePoint is on a serious growth spurt, adding 1,500 chargers per month, while Volkswagen-owned Electrify America is spending $2 billion over the next 10 years for EV infrastructure and education. By offering one-stop shopping through a single subscription for the 2 companies' 30,000 plus chargers in the US, these 2 should make finding an electric car charger just a little bit easier. Expect those services to be up and running by the fall of 2019, just in time for car makers to introduce a fresh wave of EVs. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.